Hi, Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living. Today we're coming to you from the Rivers Metal Crust. This is a Fischer design neighborhood. I'm here with Felicia Jackson. She's a representative with Fischer Homes. She's going to give us some insight on this wonderful ranch home right here behind us. But as you can see, there's lots of different homes up and down the street here. There's even some new construction as well. And this is a brand new home, correct?
It is. So this is our Preston Market, and it's located at 176 Ridgebrook Drive in Mount Washington, Kentucky, 40047. This ranch-style floor plan accommodates 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a basement, and it sits a little over 1,600 square feet.
Sounds great. Let's check it out.
Awesome. Follow me.
You got this wonderful front porch here on the, as you walk in.
You do. It's
You can
beautiful.
put a swing here, put a glider, a couple chairs, just have a nice little area set out here and enjoy the neighborhood.
Absolutely. It's a beautiful day to do that.
Yes.
All right.
So we walk in, we have this nice open foyer here with the arched areas up here. And we have our coat closet over there. Let's walk on to the back here and we'll go directly into the living area.
Perfect.
I love this big open aspect that goes right into the kitchen, and you've got your dining area over there. You got the windows in the back with the tray ceiling. Tell us a little bit more about this particular space.
Absolutely. So this is an open space. So most of our homes are going to feature the open concept. As you'll notice over here to the side, we do have the large windows. And we also have the bay window over here where the morning room would be. So this area would be a 4-foot bump out. That could be a formal dining area.
And then this area right here, you could add on to an additional, like, larger deck area as well.
Absolutely. You could definitely take advantage of builder backed if you wanted to add on to this market. But if you were doing a contract to build home, that definitely could be an option if you wanted to add a larger deck. Absolutely.
And then out back here, I noticed that some of the other homes on across from us, they have the privacy fence. So there's no restrictions on putting up a privacy fence. You just can't use a chain link fence.
You got it, Will. You got it.
Great.
That's correct.
And then there's no restriction if the people want to put in a pool or do anything of that nature. You just got to make sure everything meets what the code is for.
Correct. That would be correct.
And then this is our wonderful kitchen over here.
Yes, you have the beautiful granite island. It's gorgeous.
Just like my house.
You'll see the beautiful light fixtures that we've added in here as well too.
And then this is luxury vinyl flooring, is that correct?
Luxury vinyl planks, that is correct.
But if the homeowner wanted to update and put tile over here or maybe hardwood over here, that's an option in the design.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And then back here you have a nice walk-in pantry.
Very large, very spacious.
And then right across from it, you've got the utility room with the washer and dryer hookup. And this is a really big garage. It's got that little offset there that gives you lots of storage there.
It is very, very spacious.
So you've got all this area over here you could use for space and then still have room for 2 cars.
That is correct.
Yeah,
That
great.
is correct. I love that little pocket area over there.
Let's head over to the primary bedroom and check it out. It's across from the living room area.
Perfect.
And this house is 1,600 square feet, is that correct?
It is. It's 1,643 square feet to be exact.
And the price for this particular home is
It's $399.90.
Great.
Yeah.
So this is a really large primary bedroom. You've got the 2 windows there. You've got the walk-in closet that wraps around. Gives you lots of storage for personal items.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Now this home definitely does feature a lot of space.
And then over here we have the primary bath. You have the freestanding shower. You've got.
You also have your water closet over here tucked to the side, so providing plenty of privacy.
These showers and then tubs and everything, the flooring, all that kind of stuff can have different upgrades based upon what your opinion are, what your wants are as you're building a home. So you can upgrade those as you're building, or you can have this, torn out and rebuilt after you buy it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Sounds good.
Definitely do that.
Also like the recessed lighting that's in here too.
Love that.
Keeps everything out of the way. So.
It does.
let's head back over this direction. We'll go down the hallway and look at the other parts of the house. I'll let you lead there.
All right. Just follow me. All right, so we're gonna head down. So you're gonna notice we do have a couple secondary bedrooms here if you wanna take a look at those. Got the nice large window, so it provides plenty of sunlight.
And there's things going by out front and you can't hear them, so it's nice and quiet.
Exactly. Very, very peaceful community. And to the left, you're going to have our secondary bathroom. This is a full bath.
Nice functional layout for the whole house.
Absolutely.
And then you got that little linen closet there.
You do.
I do have a question for you on this right here.
Sure.
Is this a standard design feature with this railing, or?
It would not be, but it is an option.
Okay.
It would be an option.
So you can actually, if you wanted to put glass in here, you could put a glass rail or something like that in here.
You could definitely, there's definitely some different options that could accommodate.
Okay,
For
great.
sure.
Well, let's go down to the basement. We'll check out the basement and wrap up this video.
Absolutely. Follow me.
So now we're in the basement. As you can see, it's not finished. You've got everything insulated. You've got your walls and everything. Tell us a little bit about down here and what the possibilities are.
Absolutely. So what we do is we do provide a rough-in, so it is an option to finish if you'd like. That would be an option. One thing I would say is that if you didn't want to finish your basement with us, we definitely could recommend utilizing BuilderBack, which is our homeowner's portal, and it just gives you access to be able to use our contractors. If you want to add on things like decks and finished basements and things of that nature.
Yeah, excellent. And look at this amount of space that you have down here that you can
Very, very spacious.
practically double the home.
You could.
And it's already got the plumbing roughed in. You've got the sump pumps down here to keep water at bay. You've got all the storage over here that could be another additional utility room.
Absolutely.
Because all your mechanicals are out of the way.
Absolutely. One thing I wanted to add is that we do utilize Bryant's heating and cooling. Something really cool to note is that you do get a 5-year warranty with Bryant's, but if you sign up for their homeowners portal through us, you also get an extended 5 years. So then you'll have a 10-year warranty.
10-year warranty. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Nice feature.
Yeah.
And then I noticed on some of the other homes as we were driving in, they've got this stamp on the concrete. Is that a fairly standard thing on some of the newer places now?
That is correct.
So if you wanted to, you could just paint that. And
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. There's so many different things you could do with this basement. I mean, with it being spacious like this, I'd say there's a multitude of different things you could do
awesome.
with this.
All right, let's head back upstairs and check out the backyard.
All right. Awesome.
Okay, so I hope you like this model home. It's the Parsons model home.
Preston.
We're out here in Mount Washington. As you can see, you've got a nice backyard back here that you can do a lot of different things with, all the way up and down through here. And you can see another new build up there that's got a larger deck. So all the possibilities are here. Anything else to add there?
Man, the only thing I would say is if you're interested in this home, come see me. Let's check it out. I'd love to show it to you. It's a beautiful home.
Sounds great. My name's Will Patterson, Talisa Jackson with the Fischer Model Homes. Please like and subscribe and look forward to seeing you in future videos.
Absolutely. You got it.